Hello friends, it's been a few days. Today's detail is a 2006 Hyundai Sonata. The car is in not so great shape. And as you will see, just me cleaning the carpets has me feeling defeated, I guess you could say. I think that's one of my big challenges about detailing. I'm not able to find the perfect mix that I need to in order to get the seats right and clean and get this horrible color out of the carpets. You'll see, it becomes a big challenge. So this wraps up day one, which actually went pretty well. Then I come in today, Monday, and the challenge begins. It was time to start cleaning the carpets, and this is where I have literally felt defeated. It seems like every car has badly discolored and stained carpets, and I only make it worse. Today, I used something different. I thought, well, I'm not getting anywhere with the APC and the degreaser, so I might as well try this, and that is Turtle Wax carpet cleaner. And as you will see, the same result. If there are any detailers out there who can give me some advice, something, anything, I'm open to suggestions. I cannot figure this out. As you will see in the before and afters of the carpets, I only made the situation worse. This has happened in every single car. Nothing I'm doing is getting the job done. So yes, any advice is appreciated. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you don't mind. I'd love to have you.